Hey guys, Technical Show with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix allowing camera access to certain apps that are missing access to your camera. So if you can't access the camera on your app, there could be multiple reasons, and we're going to walk you through this. So let's get started. First thing you want to do, go ahead and open up settings here. And it's always important to check your privacy and security here in settings. And then here, if you go down, there's an option for camera, and it shows you pretty much all the apps that are or have access to your camera. Let's say one of them is turned off, like for example, if I turn it off like this, it's grayed out. For example, Instagram, for example, now will not have access to camera. To turn it back on, click on that, make sure they're green, and it'll give them access. The other place to check here, back in settings here, we're gonna go back to the main settings here. Now scroll down here all the way to the apps themselves here. They have their access as well. So let's go ahead and click on Facebook this time. As you can see here, there's access for camera here. If this is grayed out, it won't have access. We're gonna make sure that this is have access just like that. So those are two places to just quickly check. Now if you check those and you still don't have access to the camera on your app, the next thing you should do is go into screen time here, again in the main setting option. So you go into screen time. If you have screen time set up, you might not have set it up, but if you do, you want to go ahead and check where it says content and privacy restriction. Click on that, and then once you click on that, you'll see there's the option for allowed apps. So you click on that, and you see here all these apps are allowed here. For example, if camera is turned off like that, none of the apps will have access to the camera and you won't be able to use camera. So make sure that is turned on as well in your settings. Now moving on to the next thing you want to do, if you did all that and you still can't get camera on a specific app, it's time to delete that app and then reinstall it and log back in. So in our case, let's say we wanted to we're having access with Snapchat, for example, doesn't give us access to the camera. We're going to go ahead and press and hold like that. Let's do it one more time and then take it out of here. So the way to activate it, you're going to press and hold and then remove app, and the option you will do is delete app, and then click that delete option and it's completely deleted. And then you go back to the app store here and then search up the app you need, so Snapchat, and then re-download it one more time. So click on that. It's probably going to ask you to enter your Apple ID password, or it will already start installing just like that. As you can see, it's reinstalling. Once it reinstalls, what will happen is when you sign back in, it's going to ask you to give access to things like notification, microphone, camera, and then you'll select allow camera, and that should fix it as well. Now if you're doing that and you're still having issues, for example, we still don't have access to it, so this is downloading, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and do a force restart of the phone. So force restart is a quick way to fix any software related issues. Sometimes the phone is running for some time or it's been updated recently. There could be some kind of bug fixes that needs to be resolved, and a good force restart always helps with that. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and on iPhone here, for example, on this phone, on any phone, iPhone 8 and above, you're going to press and release the volume up and then press and release the volume down, and then hold the side button until the screen goes completely black. So volume up, volume down, and then hold this big side button just like that. You'll see it said slide to power off. We're not going to do any of that. I'm going to simply hold that side button on the right hand side just like that. Wait till the screen goes completely black, and then once we see the Apple logo, we're going to let go of that button just like that, and it will reboot and reload the code again, give it a nice fresh restart, fixing pretty much any software or issue that could be impacting your phone for camera not working on apps. So once we do that, we're going to wait to get back on the phone, and you're going to open it up. Probably going to have to enter your passcode. Once you do that, we're going to be back into a screen and see if you have access to whatever app is missing camera access. Now, if it's still not working, it's time to go into settings this time. And we're going to go this time in settings. We're going to go general all the way down here where it says transfer or reset iPhone. We're going to click on that. And then first option for reset. Now, the option that we want to select to reset is reset all settings. Now, this will not delete your photos, videos, or apps or anything like that. All it will do is reset back all of your settings to factory settings, which essentially helps if you're having issues. So keep in mind, this will reset things like your network, your keyboard, home screen layout, and privacy and location services settings as well. But it's one of those necessary things that you have to do if all of the other previous steps didn't work to resolve the issue. This will take about a minute or two once you do it. And if you're still having an issue, the last thing you can do is pretty much update your phone, which is going to be your last go-to things to do And to do that, you're going to go into settings, general, software update, and it'll check for update just like that. If there's an update available like we have here, you're going to download it and install it. And it's always good to update your phone because a previous version might have some issues with it, and generally Apple will recommend this solution as well. So when you do this one's going to be a little bit more time consuming. It could take somewhere between 15, 20, 30 minutes depending on how big the download is, and you need to have a good Wi-Fi connection or cellular connection and connect your phone to power source so that it doesn't die during the update. And once you have done all that, hopefully your access that was missing on a app to the camera is working now. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. If you found a better solution as well, leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.